Hi, everyone. Thanks so much for stopping by. I'm Bruce Schwartz, and thanks for the interest. Listen, we're seeing a lot of amazing things on the surface of the moon. We know there's activity. We saw the UFOs. We saw color, color. We know there's color up on the surface of the moon. And now this is Eratosthenes crater. I found a blue glass dome. I'm not going to show it in this video because it's very hard. It's actually in this shot, in all the shots, but it's very hard to see a very light blue. In the blue on the right here, I see actually many objects, whether the objects are rocks or um, whatever, you know, in the bottom of an ocean could be, but it doesn't mean it's water. We have no proof yet that it's that. But when you look at it, I mean, it does look like coastlines, for example. Just to the top of this photo and over top of this star that you'll see on the top right now, there is the Apennine Mountains, Montes Apenninus. I want you to see the pipe, tunnel, object, or structure. It is constructed. I want you to see what you think it is. I mean, a pipe that's over a blue area. Yeah, okay. I didn't say it was a water pipe. I just want you to see what it looks like. It is constructed. There's a tunnel. It goes all the way down to the blue. The star, watch the star. From here, the star is there, goes all the way down to this star. We can see the connection all the way to the top. It's white though. I'm going to talk about the same reflectivity. What does that mean? The structures are the same reflectivity as the surface. So they're there, but you have to look at the outlines. Go over to the left now. In the greenery, the beautiful mossy greenery, whatever it may be, I do believe the structures are, well, they're green anyways. They have, in this area, they have greenery over it. Could it be vegetation that grew over these structures? Could it be deliberate? Either way, you can see a lot of symmetrical objects. That's the hardest thing I had to do so far, is to explain to people that, um, are your eyes adjusting, by the way? Like, look away from the television set and come back to the gray and green on the left. I swear. Do it again. You'll see them pop out. Now here we're even closer. To give you an idea. Now I found something. Look on the right side, the blue area. Inside of it, I'm going to put up a star. When the star goes away, look what's underneath the star. There are four white symmetrical even bumps, evenly distanced, that go, it's right across from the port. Okay, that's what basically what I want to tell you. But no, you see it? I'm showing little details that are very important, because showing symmetry on the surface of the moon proves construction, proves that there's an intelligent life form there. And just those four dots that I don't know what they are very intriguing to me and very important. They're there. They were put there. They were placed there by someone. Now look at what we're looking at. The star is over a chimney stack like object. That's right, guys. Eratosthenes crater. Seriously. See the top of the mountain? We're getting the view. It looks slanted, right? Well, I think that's the oblique view that we're getting. Over top of the star, there it is. Now look at the left of inside Eratosthenes crater. I always thought there was a pyramid inside. Well, you know what? I wasn't that far off, and the proof is right here. There are three objects placed in triangular formation. These are details. And here is one of the reasons why I'm doing this research and this effort. This is Copernicus. Don't you find it beautiful? Look at the underneath, all around it, the colors. Look at the structuring. Look at the unknown anomalies and objects. Look at the three spheres on the bottom, or domes. Look at the objects. All three of them are the same, one beside the other. I mean, or two of them. Yeah, two or three of them. This is incredible. And look at the edge. We never see it like this. I mean, think of it. The edge is so bright, and look at that light that's there. Look at all the colors and the earth-like surface. This is absolutely beautiful. This is a very nice one of Copernicus, and I'm happy we can see the edge. Look at all the bumps along the edge. These are details. They're objects and they're round. They look round, right? But when you zoom in, you see they actually have some forms and details of their own. And they do look interesting. You know, why was this never mentioned in science? Are you kidding? Look at this shot. This is a newspaper shot, no? Well, it's what I wanted to see anyways. This is maybe only my um, way wanting to see the surface, but this is exactly how I wanted to see it to start with anyways. And the cloud cover, you can see now there is cover over everything. More we zoom in, the more we can start seeing color and the inevitable view of the surface, leaving us believing that the moon is definitely inhabited. East of um, Copernicus, we have Eratosthenes crater. This is directly between it, the structuring on the surface. And you know what? It is structuring. If it's anomalies, okay, so be it. But still, was never mentioned and interesting to see. Whether it be minerals we're looking at on the surface, greenery. I mean, listen, let's use our common sense, guys. I'm seeing over 75% of green around the surface. I'm seeing about 15% of blue, 20% of blue. That's like Earth, guys. This is what's going on. And people aren't realizing it. Why? Because we've seen the moon as gray all of our lives. Are you all ready to see a structure, a base, an industry possibly, beside Copernicus? It's been shown in the video before, live. Bottom right. There it is. Do you understand it's the same reflectivity as the surface? They're there. They're huge. They're very symmetrical. And the cloud cover over it is even worse. It's even harder to see it. I only showed a glimpse of it this time. We'll get in close to look at these objects. They're there. And I'm going to show them from many different angles too. And I'm going to show them on many different moon phases. This is very real. We'll see it again a bit closer. They're there. They're real structures. They're beige. Beige, the same color as the surface in certain areas. And notice that its base platform is beige too. You won't see a beige structure in a green area. Well, you actually can, but not mainly. And you don't see them so much. See the structuring at the top, that those objects, the rocks, whatever, they look like rocks, they're placed the way they're placed. You can see in the top in the purple, more structures appearing. Bottom green, right up pressed against Copernicus. There are also structures there. Bottom right, you can see the proof right there.